what my car currently looks like. It's a little bit embarrassing. Not even a little bit, it's a lot embarrassing. Today we're gonna be cleaning this car for my own sanity. Why am I a 23-year-old woman that has literally all this shit in her car? Like, am I okay? Like, but anyways, it has gotten to my limits. It is disgusting. Why is there coffee from like a month ago in here? Like, the worst part about all of this is that my car hasn't been like this for like 1 week, 2 weeks, a couple days. It's been like this for, I don't want to say a couple months, but like every time I clean it, I think it's gonna be different, but it always ends up like this. So we got a lot of work to do. We got a lot of cleaning to do. I'm really praying to God that this camera does not fall off my dashboard as I'm driving because it feels a little unstable, so. Okay, so my sister's parked behind me, so it's gonna be hard. Can't scratch the Tesla. Okay. And like, I swear every time I have to do this, I like drive into my lawn and hit something, so we're literally just free. Okay, we have hit something. Oh, fuck.
Watch your profanity.
Alright, we are free. Oh my god, today? Holy shit. I have ran something over. Okay, we're going. I think this might be a little bit therapeutic for me because I've been feeling so much anxiety this morning. It's almost like, is this a form of therapy? Okay, camera's falling. I feel like it's gonna be fun when this is what you call fun. I'm sorry if I'm not looking at you guys because, as my boyfriend says, apparently I'm Canada's worst driver and I should be on that show. And not to mention, this camera will probably fall. So, we are going... We're going to a self-serve car wash. First of all, number one, it's more fun. We actually can do something, we can clean it ourselves. Number two, I'm broke. I don't have a job. I'm a 23-year-old without a job. So that just means you have to save money in any way you can. Technically, I should have done this at home, but I wanted to take you guys somewhere. I wanted to go somewhere with you guys. I wanted to get out of the house. So we are going to the self-serve car wash to compromise a bit. I'm pretty excited to go to this place. Like, I feel like it's gonna be really fun, and I feel like it's gonna be like fair vibes. Like, I don't know. I'm getting like fun vibes from it. Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys down because you guys are definitely gonna fall, and now we're on a main road, so. Okay, we're gonna start with the vacuums. There's someone like over there, so I'm trying to pull away. Oh, beautiful. There's a trash can, so yeah, let's get started. We're here. Let's see how good my cleaning skills are. We'll see. First, we're gonna take out all the garbage out of my car, starting with this. Like, that's disgusting. Okay, let's get started. Nasty. Here's a freaking wasp. Get away. Alright, towel. Floaty. Hi there. I need to make a sign and put it up in my car that says, take your garbage out with you, because I swear, my boyfriend likes to blame me for making my car messy, but literally, like, what are all these tissues? What are all these coffees? I don't even drink that much coffee, so it's definitely his, and we need to teach him a lesson. I think we can both be better and remove these disgusting leftovers out of my car. I have a giant tennis ball in my car. Also, this isn't vape juice, this is hand sanitizer, but it's shaped as a vape juice bottle. Also, something else I have to do today is I need to cancel my order for my Tesla because I ordered it a couple months ago. To get a Tesla, I would literally pay the same payment as my car right now. So it was actually really worth it, but I'm doing the smart adult thing and I'm not gonna buy a car and have that loan on my name because I need to save that money for more profitable and productive things. I feel responsible. Money. So if you're not from Canada, our money is like multicolored. Why isn't it coming out? Excuse me. Guys, tell me why I just found this under my seat in my car. Like, I don't even drink this, so. I'm not a degenerate, I swear. I was looking for this today so I could film the video with it. And it was under my seat. Okay, my fault for being unorganized. This has come out of this, and there's still so much more to go. We'd like to keep these. A headband, why not? No, this is new. Oh, what? Guys, I was looking for these and look. The lenses are out. You know, I feel like keeping these candles because you never know. Sometimes it's someone's birthday and no one has candles at the function. It's good to be the one to pull through. We're gonna keep these. Weird kids glasses. Yes, we're keeping them. You never know when you might need some pop rocks. I want to keep this for a rainy day. Hard candy, you never know. This heart, why not? Oh my god. But this is a $200 speeding ticket that I'm really not happy about and I've been avoiding. But you know what? You know what happened? You know how I got this ticket? Because I was freaking vibing to The Weeknd, and not just any Weeknd song. I was vibing to Old Weekend and like singing my heart out on a road trip. So like, I mean, what do you expect? Also, if you catch me like only showing you guys the side of my face, it's because I have this huge wonking pimple on my nose. Not gonna lie, I'm already feeling as good as new. Everything's looking really crisp, but we haven't even gotten to the nitty gritty. I also just wanted to say thank you guys so much for 850 subscribers. I literally can't even believe any of you guys watch me. Like, it's just unbelievable, and I'm so grateful. You guys have made this journey like so much more enjoyable. And like 850 subscribers, like what, how, when, why? I just want to welcome you guys to the family. I do want to do a Q&A soon because I feel like a lot of my videos aren't personal. It's like thrifting or a review or whatever. So I just want to get to know you guys better. I want you guys to get to know me better. So ask some questions down below. If someone puts a question in the comments, you guys answer them too, just so I can hear your guys' answers. And I don't know. You guys are just the best. So anyways, let's get back to the video. We got some cleaning to do. I just gotta drive to the water station where they have like the spray and the soap and stuff. So clean my car with this sponge. I don't really know. I think moral of this experience is that this was in fact therapeutic, and I think cleaning is a very therapeutic way to get over your anxiety and forget about all your worries in life, and then also have a clean space to live in, because that makes you feel a lot better too. So I definitely enjoyed this. Like maybe this will be a monthly thing from now on. I don't know. If you're like me and have a messy car, I swear this isn't as bad as I thought it'd be. It honestly was pretty fun, even though I did spend a ridiculous amount of hours here. Like I don't know why I'm going like so slow. Like someone asked if I'm filming a movie, so I don't know what that means. But now I'm getting into the really nitty gritty and like getting off like every fingerprint off the window, which is so not like me because I'm not a perfectionist like that. I'm kind of like do your best and like we'll see what happens kind of girl.